Hello! Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Tonight, I wanted to talk about a very important topic. The topic I want to discuss is be nice to animals. Be kind to animals. Even just every animal, you know. Except like insects. If you actually step on a bug and you have to kill bugs or something, you know, hey, that's all good and dandy. But we're doing it because it's like this. So if we're not nice to the animals, then I think that there's some evidence out there that well, not evidence, but I think that in the future, animals will inhabit they'll go to the Andromeda galaxy and get supernatural powers, and then come back and go after individuals that are not kind to animals, and then they'll use their special powers, you know, and you know, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to add another video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.